Hello Bladers. Welcome to our daily drive, everyday tips for the everyday driver. Unrestored classic Porsche 356s. Do you happen to have a Porsche 356? Your family might be hiding one in your garage. Whether it's running or not, prices for the vintage and classic Porsche 356 are constantly rising. A dealer in the United States wants nearly $150,000 for an original, non-running Porsche 356. Now that's a big fortune. Dealer Kurt Tanner Motor Cars bought the non-running Porsche 356 from its second owner of the past 54 years. The car was purchased from the original owner back in Illinois in 1965. It practically has no engine and was just replaced upon purchase with another engine from a 1953 vehicle. Most of the body panels are straight and all the glass are there. The vehicle is full of rusts, both can be said for the exterior and interior of the car. The seats are ripped and faded. All the wirings are even jammed up. To sum everything up, the whole vehicle needs to have a makeover from the exterior all the way to its interior and engine. The car seriously needs a lot of serious attention to bring it back to shape. But despite all that, you'd be surprised to know that there would probably be someone out there willing to purchase the vehicle like Kurt Tanner Motor Cars. Even if it is all broken up inside out, this vintage collection can easily fetch up to $120,000 considering its collectability. The early pre-A cars are arguably the most desirable 356 of all. Do you agree with our list? Or did we miss some of the ideas had in mind? Comment down below so we can discuss it. We publish a new episode every day. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, so that you don't miss out on all of our new releases. For more driving and car care tips, visit us at www.blade.ph. Blade Auto Center. It's Blade, it's better. If you like this video, please share it with your friends on social media. Help us build more subscribers by spreading the word around. Click the round icon to subscribe and one of the videos on the left to watch our next feature. See you again soon.